I'm giving hints here and there, so except YouTube I have to do some other tasks as well now. Nimbu pani. Either I have black coffee or nimbu pani today. Good afternoon, everybody. It's 14th of July. It's a Monday. I got some time in between my works to do some edits. So I will edit some thumbnails that were pending, and yeah, I will improve that. So initially I had made a different kind of thumbnail, but I think this one looks so beautiful. And yeah, the background really complements. Earlier it was very dull and it was so. Let me show you how it used to look before and this the after look basically. And so this is how it looked like, and now the one I made right there is this, and I absolutely love this thumbnail. It's better than the last one. I changed the background and a little bit edited the images, and that's how it looked like now. So got some more thumbnail done. I pretty much like it, but I was very tight on time, so that's why it's this. Probably I will change this thumbnail as well, but as of now it is
12 o'clock midnight.
So after my work done, I was editing till midnight when I realized that this desk I set up only the last week and it's so full. There are parcels all over. It's been a month now which I got in my birthday and till not I tried it yet. Once I used to crave for this and now I'm so busy. I haven't touched it. I want to really show you all first, then I will try in my daily life. I mean, life is so beautiful when you work hard and achieve those little things.
Much later.
So you guys know I'm suffering from this eye infection for quite some time now. So I just wanted to cut my screen time. So that's why I found this really healthy version of cheesecake, a recipe on online, and this is the first time actually I made it, and also my brother actually loves it, so that's why I got the whole idea of making it. And this one honestly turned out pretty good. I made it two versions, like one the chocolate one and the mango one, of course.
Thousands of tears later.
Good morning. So I just came from a shower. Today is Monday. It's 21st of July, I would say. Yeah, it's of course July. And yeah, मैं सुबह 8:30 बजे से उठी हुई हूँ. I did everything right there. सब कुछ मेरा admin का work, check mails, and everything has been done. And today it's so sunny. I won't say then, but again clouds will come and all those things. But anyways, now it's very lit all the way and it's not that gloomy weather, so I can shoot. So let's do that quickly before again it starts raining. So yeah, already मैंने नहा लिया because I do not want to waste any more time. Last week I was not sick then, but I had this eye infection right here which is not really cured, but then I need to proceed with my work as well because lots of work is pending as I didn't shoot anything last week. So that's the thing. And also I was busy in something. I'm giving hints here and there, so except YouTube I have to do some other tasks as well now. Probably I'm not comfortable in sharing with you right now, but I will do it very sure, very fast in future. So yeah, that's pretty much of it. So let's get ready now and get my all the scheduled task done. Okay, so I'm all ready to shoot, and yeah, that's the agenda. I need to film 2 videos. Nimbu pani. Either I have black coffee or nimbu pani. Today I have nimbu pani, and yeah, let's do it quickly now because abhi tak bhi light is there, so let's get done quickly. Also I did this makeup. It's pretty simple, my basic one. So yeah, let's do that.
A few inches later.
White, so white. But anyways, you can see already dress change. I have shot 2 things right here which was important and a long due, but it's done now. It's 2:30. No, it's 2:20 right now. Can you see? I don't know if you can. I will have my lunch now, and then actually I saw a very funny thing. That's why I'm talking like this. But anyways, I will have my lunch now and then I will continue with the rest of the day. Okay, I kid you not, I had my lunch, then I was having this leftover cheesecake. How to show you all? Yeah, this is the cheesecake I'm having, which I made, by the way, from scratch. Everything from scratch. Not the base layer, the biscoff layer, but then it is so yum. This is a batch of the last week. The first time I made. So this is the one I think I'm gonna make today again, and I will show you how I do that. It's a healthy version and it tastes so delicious. I will show you the recipe as well in this vlog. So yeah, I will have this, and I'm watching Sarah's vlog as well, so we will do that quickly. I have to wrap up this and I do need to shoot one more video. So yeah, like first attempt में इतना अच्छा हो जाएगा, I didn't believe.
The next day.
Hi, hello everyone. So it's Tuesday, the next day. It's currently 8 PM. मैंने सुबह से ना एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ काम किया, एज इन एडिटिंग. सो मैंने कुछ फिल्म नहीं की, तो आई डिडंट रियली शूट अ व्लॉग, एंड सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज जस्ट एडिटिंग. आई एडिटेड वन ब्रांड का रील, आई सेंड इट टू देम एंड that went for approval. It will take time. Then I post my own channel ka content, which was the lifter gloss from Maybelline, and oh my god, that's crazy. It has this peppermint in it, which is basically the capsaicin, these ingredients which make your lips really looked plumped up due to the irritation it causes on your lips. And oh my god, I tasted that for the first time on my birthday, because my friends actually gifted me that. So I tried it for the first time. We all really love the shade, but the irritation it caused, it's not really happy. I mean, beauty is pain, then hence proved. I don't know who needs that, but definitely not me. I do have a very nice naturally plumped up lips right there, but I would love to give it a try for videos and all, because that looks very camera pe bahut acha dikhta hai. So I think I will try that. Now actually I'm editing tomorrow's video right there then, and this is how it look like. So yeah, मैं वेडनेसडे का वीडियो भी एडिट कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज टुमारो आई वोंट बी देयर. आई विल बी गोइंग टू माई डॉक्टर टू test my eyes. Basically, I think my power changed and my eye infection got pretty damn serious, I would say, because it's again and again coming. So I will make sure I will go and get checked. So I'm going to doctors tomorrow. That's why I'm finishing as much as work possible by today night itself. So I'm doing that. I will complete it probably. After this I will go and make cheesecake, I think. Yeah, that's the agenda. So okay, so I was editing and having this naan khatai cookies that I saw on Minutes actually. So I ordered this. Tastes so good. It has this pure ghee and beautiful nuts right there, fully loaded. Absolutely love this naan khatais, and these are quite, I guess, pricier on the side, and but taste amazing then. So yeah, and it comes like this in small pouches right there going on. It has like 4 of them, and already I had 2. So yeah,
Early the next morning. Much later.
okay, so as promised, I will show you all now how I make the healthy version cheesecake at home right there. So you will be needing like the simple ingredients, and just to make it healthy, I will be using paneer and curd for the cheese layer, like the middle layer of it. So I have taken here the Amul paneer, which is like around 200 grams, one big this chunk. I have just crumbled it down roughly For the 200 grams of paneer, I've added like 2 tablespoons of curd. Otherwise, it will go like very sour. Also, according to your taste, you can add. And for the sweetener, I'm using the honey right here. You can add sugar as well if you do not like the taste of honey, but it doesn't matter that much. It tastes as good as sugar. I've tried both, so I can tell you that for sure. So if you have to grind it nicely, like a roughly, if you think it's been too sticky, you can add some milk, which is why I'm adding right here. You need to get this like a semi smooth, which will also contains little bit of crumbles because it contains paneer. So this will be the consistency of it, and it's not really thick and not really, that slippery, I would say. So this should be the consistency of it. For the bottom layer of it, I'm taking this biscuit from Unibic. I know, like, Lotus Biscoff is not available, and I haven't seen on Blinkit or like the minutes. So I got this Unibica biscuit. You can add like any digestive biscuits for that matter, and it tastes actually the same. And this Unibica biscuit is like too sweet. You can avoid and use digestive to make it more healthy version. As I already bought it, so I'm using it. So I'm using here some ghee. Also, I've added some butter because ghee finished and it tastes good. Actually, ghee tastes better than butter. What I realized, you have to mix a certain amount that it can go like this smooth upon spooning it completely. So this is the crumbles you will be needing. So we have got the two bases done completely. It's very easy. Now the time is to assemble all these things. Now you will give that crumble biscuit layer at the bottom, then you will be adding the cheese layer in the middle, and that's how it's done. So now it's time for assemble. Now see how it goes, and it's pretty easy, I mean. Once you finish with the assembling of this two layer, first you need to freeze it for like good 3 to 4 hours, then you can add the third layer. Otherwise it all will get like mixed up and it won't look really good, and those prominent layer will be visible. So I will freeze it today and I will add the third layer on the next day. I'm using here the choco spread from Hershey's. It's a little bit too sugary. You can use any spread of your choice right there then. So I guess that's it for this video, and this is gonna be the final look. I hope you like it. I will see you all in the next video, and this turned to be true.